Welcome back to CRMK Ranch. Well, today's video we're going to do a little work on my John Deere model 14T small square baler. Previous video you saw this thing take a tumble off the trailer. We hooked it up today to the tractor and started to disassemble a round bale and turn it into small squares. And noticed the baler was making some noise, some banging sounds, and I had broken one of the shear bolts. And this is after it's been sharpened, but now I've sharpened that one of the two blades that cuts the hay, and it actually goes on the inside of the chute. Let's see here if I can get you in there. You see them 3 bolt holes in the center there. That's where it mounts, but I'm not going to get up in there. I got this one to get up in there for me. So we're going to try to video putting this one of the 2 knives back in. Yep.
Well, you gotta guide me on the other side because I can't see the screw, honey. I'm close, but.
Alright, go, you're right there. Push a little forward at the tip of the bolt. You're right in the hole there. You were right there. You don't have to have it vertical at this point. You can Let me go around to the front, see if I can help you. Not really. I can't get in there. Let me put a bolt through the hole backwards.
Okay.
On the top. So now the top one has a backwards bolt. That can probably help you align things.
I promise I can't see nothing.
And it's hard to get the right angle. Yep, middle finger's in there.
I'll find the hole on the inside. Oh, I'm way far behind, honey. You could have told me I have to go way more rest. Can we get this part just another ½ inch or so out of the way? I mean, we have plenty of movement here.
That's all I can get you.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute.
Here.
That's what I can do.
Super hard. Okay, we have about 5 inches to go up, forward west. That, yep, right there. You got it.
There's one.
But it just didn't work that way, I guess.
Alright. So just keep rolling it forward. Keep going forward. I can't really see because, yeah, you got to go forward more. And then lift up. Now you went too far forward. Bring it back towards you. Right there. Yeah, I can't really see. Alright, now the question is, are the shims in the right spot?
I think you missed the shims on the bottom.
I did.
You did.
I can see that now. So I gotta pull that shim aft.
You gotta push the top forward on the shim. Yep, yep. Okay, now put the bolt in. Yep, you got it.
Is that all of it?
Yep, not first.
All right.
Yep.
That's just. All right, now I got to put the nuts on. And because they're plow bolts, you kind of have to hold it with your finger. Otherwise, you push it right in when you're trying to put the nut on. So you got to kind of hang it by a thread. Well, I'm going to put the bolt back on the same way it came off. There it goes.
Have the bolt on.
All right. All right. So we'll use a little help here. Go to the bottom one. All right. Good enough. All right. All right, so you can see the blade there in the center of the screen. It's the shiny part. So now what I got to do is get an 11/16 wrench, because the other knife, but I got to get those out and get the plunger knife off and sharpen that and get that in. So hopefully that's not a two-person job, because Connie's got to go to work.